Leo, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the June 2020 reading, and yeah, thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing, and thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. And yeah, I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. And yeah, let's start your reading, Leos. So this is for the Leo people, okay, for the month of June 2020. Okay, so yeah, let's start your reading. This is for the Leos. I hope you can see this. Yeah, this is for the Leos. Okay, let's get the deck for you guys. You guys are amazing, Leo. Thank you so much for your feedback. So this is your overall energy, the moon card. So wow, wheel of fortune right after the moon, which is luck, abundance, wealth, Queen of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Knight of Wands, Four of Swords, Eight of Pentacles. Okay, Eight of Swords, Chariot, Knight of Cups. Okay, so Leo, so I'm feeling that this is the person you are dealing with. Pisces or Cancer. Cancerian is also here. So I'm feeling that they are a little bit afraid of something. Yeah, they have a little bit some kind of secrets. Yeah. Hmm. Okay, with the Wheel of Fortune, Queen of Pentacles, and Ace of Swords, you were doing great. The money is on your side, the luck was on your side. You were doing great. You were giving love to yourself, and new offers are coming your way. You have so many beautiful things in your life. The wheel is turning in your favor. Like you were feeling happy, you were feeling very blessed by the universe in your recent past, Leo. And I'm feeling that with the Queen of Pentacles energy, you were learning how to give love to yourself, which is a great strategy, which is a great method to attract the things from the universe, because this is you co-creating with the universe. Like you were taking care of yourself and universe is on your side. You can see this. Universe has always your back. Yeah, so that's why wheel is turning in your favor, and you are feeling very blessed and lucky by the universe, because I'm feeling that you are achieving whatever was your goal in that at that particular time. Yeah, Knight of Wands, Four of Swords, and the Eight of Pentacles. I'm feeling that right now definitely you are healing, you're taking time, you are working at the same time. Like you are healing internally, and also you are paying attention towards your pentacles, which is great. There is someone who is coming your way, which is maybe Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign, another Leo must be, or a Cancerian or Pisces, and yeah, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo is also here. So yeah, you are at peace, like you are at calm and relaxed situation, and this is your person. I'm feeling that they want to say something to you, but something is hidden and you don't know about that particular thing or situation or secret, maybe. Eight of Swords, Chariot, and Knight of Cups. I'm feeling that the person you're dealing with, they are feeling stuck without any reason. Like this is self imposed stuckness. They can move whatever they can do. They have to do. If they want to come to you, they have to come out from this kind of energy, because this is a very low vibrational energy with the Eight of Swords, and they have to come out of it with the Chariot card. And I'm feeling that they are planning to offer you their cup of love. They are planning their offer of love for you. Like they want to tell you about it, but they are a little bit fearful. I'm feeling they are hesitating. Yeah, they're hesitating from you, because your energy is like, wow. Why is the moon here? Okay, why is the moon here? What is this? Empress. Wow. Justice, Queen of Cups. Definitely a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Or for some of you, Taurus, Libra. Libra is twice here. Okay, I'm feeling that they are seeing a very beautiful growing future with you, with the Empress present here, and they know that with you they will feel very balanced, they will feel very equal, and they will feel very like justified. Yeah, they know, like, that you are very mature person, definitely, and they just want to give you their love with the Queen of Cups. Yeah, they have deep emotions for you, Leo. So definitely they want to offer you their cup of love with the Knight of Cups also present here, because they can see growth, abundance, happiness, success with you. Yeah, they want to be with you. So I'm feeling that with the moon energy, this is they're hiding from you because they want to speak about their feelings, but they're a little bit hesitating or fearful. Yeah. Yeah, why is this Wheel of Fortune is here? I'm very happy to see this card in your reading. Wow. Okay, wow, Sun, you can see this Sun, beautiful. Five of Cups, Two of Wands. So definitely wheel is turning in your favor and happiness are coming for you in your life, but I'm feeling that there is something happened in the past, because this is Five of Cups, and you are not enjoying the full like 100% of the happiness which universe is giving you. So be thankful and don't be stuck in the past. Move forward, okay? Move forward, because this is your destiny. Wow. So don't uh, think of the past, just be thankful, pay gratitude. Wow. Why is the Four of Swords is here? Why is the Four of Swords is here right in the heart of the spread for the Leo, please? Knight of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, Three of Swords. Okay, I'm feeling that by doing yourself, by doing your work, and giving love to yourself, I'm feeling that there is someone who is very angry, because they think that you have broke their heart, but you are not broken, or you are not giving any. Okay, I just want to say that you want to be busy in your work, you want to be uh, happy within yourself, that's why you're working on yourself. And you know what, universe is giving you this Ten of Pentacles with this Jupiter energy of Wheel of Fortune. Definitely Jupiter energy is coming for you, and also the Sun. So these two beautiful cards of your reading, and this is you, Leo. So definitely you are feeling happy and you are getting your abundance, your money, your happiness. I'm feeling by doing your work, you are not paying attention towards this person who is very angry with you, and I'm feeling that they want to see you like this, but you are recovering from it and you are coming out of it. You are overcoming this sadness of the past, which is great, and now you are manifesting very beautiful abundance. Wow. So yeah, there is someone who wants to come towards you, wants to say something bad to you, because they are not happy to see you happy. This is not the love interest. I'm feeling that this is in the mix of your surroundings. Yeah. Okay, why is the Chariot here? Why is the Chariot here? Why is the Chariot here for the Leo? Three of Cups. Yeah. King of Swords. Wow, Three of Pentacles. Okay, so this is your person. They want to come towards you. They want to come forward with for you, because they want to spend their good times with you, and they're very determined. Like they don't want to hear no from you. Yeah, they want your answer in yes and yes and yes, because they want to put in the work. They want to build a very beautiful, strong foundation relationship with you. They want to build up with you. Yeah. Wow. What is this Knight of Cups? Knight of Cups for the Leos. Nine of Wands. Okay. Five of Pentacles. Ten of Swords. Okay, so I'm feeling that this must be a past person, or this must be the other person who wants to make you unhappy. Yeah, that's why you have your guard up towards them, and you are if they are feeling left out in the cold, you are not uh, paying attention towards them. Like, you are ending all the ties with them, And yeah, with this 10 of swords, that's why you have your guard up and you have your, you're making your healthy boundaries. Great, great. Because I'm feeling that with this knight of cups, this is the pure love offer, and this is the person who wanna stop this offer from you. Yeah, so be aware, because beautiful things are coming your way. So yeah, you can see all the beautiful cards are in your reading, Leo. Wow, Sun, Wheel of Fortune, and Empress. It's amazing, amazing to have these three cards in one single read. Wow. So Leo, this is a have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.